tuna is the pink.
Total. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we're going to be doing
Poppin' Cookin. So we have the donut one,
and we have the sushi gummy one,
and we have some weird toilet one. So the first one we're going to be doing is this sushi gummy one.
What the heck? That just looks weird.
I want to open it.
What is this thing?
It looks like we have to make a little table and cut that out. What is that?
Oh, they smell good. There's 6 different packets. There's a big blue one, and there's a little pink one, a little yellow one, a little orange one, a little brown one, and a little green one. And then we have this scooper thing. I guess it's for the water or something. I don't know.
No, it's to make the sushi, this stuff.
There's some kind of gummy thing. I don't know. Where's
still working on
the
this.
instructions on the box?
Look, we got
No,
a
it says it. Looks like we're doing the omelet in tuna half.
How's it?
It looks like the tuna is the pink.
Total.
So we're doing the tuna and the omelet first, and it's the orange and the pink packet.
I'm gonna do the pink one. Let's see how you do it. I'm thinking we just pour the packet into these.
Oh, you form a rice ball first.
Wait, where does it show in the box? Wait, where are we
This
making
is going in we're making this one.
So, we found out it's in this one.
Do you add all of it? Maybe you fill it up with this. Make some rice. Fill the
Oval dispersion one with water, then...
Oh god. You're supposed to add the water first, but
that doesn't matter.
just add like a tiny...
I can open this.
Here, I got it.
Yeah, you get one of those.
Okay, we need a little more. Yep, more water. It smells like grapes.
It does, like little chunks of cauliflower.
Okay, now get it in a ball with your hands.
We need to form 4.
Oh.
Rice balls. We made 4 rice balls. So, okay.
Well,
No, it's on our table, Madison.
So we formed the rice ball. Now we add water to the line side.
Right here.
No, we don't add water on this. Add water up to the line on the side and the spiral section.
Oh, I know what we're doing. We're taking this and sticking it on there.
No, we're making
Oh, we're doing this now.
the omelet. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
You add the water first, remember? Up to the line.
Be careful.
That's good.
Okay, now we add in the...
Powder.
No. Now we use this to flatten it down.
Smells so good.
Mix the bread and flatten. I think it was better when we added the powder first.
Yeah. I know where this goes.
Hopefully it tastes good because it smells good. Is it good?
It tastes like the Jello mixture, but it's like not Jello.
Ooh.
It's a pretty color. It's forming.
Oh, it's
Chunky.
It's looking chunky.
oh yeah, it's getting like a
The
jelly
yellow
texture.
one is getting like a jelly texture.
Yeah, okay, no, like flatten it like that one. Yeah, okay. Now we're gonna use this thing.
I know where this goes.
It's pretty good.
Stop cutting that out. I don't know what this is gonna be. It's like black and there's lines all over it. Oh, I know what it is. It's gonna be the bowl. It's gonna be the seaweed.
Somehow it's supposed to flatten out and stuff.
So mine's just gonna be like stretching it out. Oh,
But
did you rip it?
we gotta spread. No, you go like this. You go
See? It's doing good. Not even there yet.
to match the size of the pouch. I'm guessing that's the pouch.
I broke it again.
You need to make it really thin, I think.
Thin.
Got it.
Perfect, baby.
Now, make
We're making this red. That's a salmon roll or whatever it's called.
add water up to lines on the side of this A and B. Green packet to section A. Yeah, that one's B.
It's so tiny. We're making this thing right now. Oh, now I get what we're doing. So we're making this stuff, and we're taking this and going zoop, zoop, pow.
It just wetted up all my face.
It's like all water now. I can barely. Oh, this is weird.
It's a good jelly.
Now.
Add water to lines.
Soy sauce.
We haven't made that yet. You're gonna take little droplets of this and put them in there, and it should like put it in there. Oh, there we go. That's a good one.
Oh, check me out. You only cares about clean.
Oh, I just dropped some of the things in there.
What?
Okay, so I think we're good. Now we just have to make the soy sauce.
Okay. Oh, I forgot about our little friend. We're making sushi for 3. Yeah. So, we can have some sushi. Ooh!
It like instantly turned the soy sauce color. It's just straight up like gross.
Poppin' cookins.
I'm guessing the soy sauce is
Sushi.
supposed to be more liquidy.
Okay.
Now we gotta know how to put it together. Does it show that? We gotta get the omelet out. The omelet's doing pretty good. It's working! We got it. You made the lines on it. Wait, no, that one needs to sit a little bit longer. We cut this into half.
It works! We did it!
Now you do the pink one. Okay, so you split it in
Half. Oh yeah, we're making 4. How to make a roll of sushi. We need a rice ball.
Okay.
And we're wrapping it around with that stuff.
Pretty good.
And then on top of that, we're taking our balls and putting it on top.
From the front it looks...
I got a ball!
Look at just like the picture. It fell down the crack. I guess we'll just have an extra one of these.
Well, here's a big one.
It sounds so
Aww. Perfect. Oh, where's our plate?
false advertising.
False advertising!
Okay, I think that's the closest we're gonna get to it. Wait, let's compare it to the box. I think we did okay on the yellow ones.
What do you guys think? Are they exactly the same?
What you can do, prove to them